Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the new ocean protector Mosasaurus in the water to see how it works. I have a hunch that this tail might come in handy for propulsion, as well as I want to see if it's just like the original where it's okay to be put in water, which I believe so. So let's take a look. You've got a little bit of water right here. This is I can't remember which river this is, but we're in Edmonton, so let's get into deeper water actually. It floats, you can see. I don't want to lose it, but let's see if we shake it back and forth, that tail does go back and forth in the water, like so. It's starting to fill up now. You can see it drains through the base of the tail as well. So yeah, no, there's some holes in the joint here where the water drains out. But besides that, I don't think any water gets into this section of the tail. It's, I think there might be some holes around the base of the ball joint here where it can get in, but I'm not too sure. So we'll take a look at that right now. So let's fill that up with water. You can see there's bubbles coming from the base of the tail, meaning there is water getting in there. See? And that's one of the draining points then, is this ball joint where the section of the tail that moves connects with this plastic section here. So that's another drainage point. I'm going to try and get it fully submerged now. I don't think it's too possible. I don't want to get my shoes wet. So we're going to flatten out the fins, and we're going to put it in a little deeper this time. Or not. You know what? That's fine. So let's try the tail motion again. So basically you just swish it side to side, and the tail has enough of a surface area on the side that it actually moves back and forth in the water when you swish it. See? So that's pretty cool. You can probably do that with the original Mosa. I do not have it on hand since I'm on vacation right now, but that's essentially the tail function of the Mosa. It can swish back and forth in the water when you shake it. And it's watertight, well not watertight, but water safe. There's no metal parts involved with this, and you can fully submerge it and it'll sink because this body cavity is hollow. There's holes at the base of the tail where the water can drain, as well as the mouth. So there you go. That is the water test that I was wanting to do to see how the tail works, and hope this gives you a great overview of whether or not you should purchase this figure based on this tail mechanic. I think it's pretty cool that you can use this in the water and that it has that swimming motion built in. Really neat. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more like this, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.